Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineer. So, as always, I tell this is just an educational video wherein I am recording my emotions and mindset while trading. So, last day's long-term activity record that was 7th October. It was showing that buyers were dominant. Volume was unchanged with 48.3 lakhs, and value area placement was higher. So, whenever it is a uptrend with a unchanged volume and a higher value area, it indicates that trend is strong and continuing. But towards the as it was an expiry yesterday, and initial half was bullish, but in the later half it was bearish. So I was in a mind that though buyers are having strength, maybe after that expiry, buyers we need to see how the strength is. So next day I was planning to wait and see how it is behaving. So this was the kind of the day it was formed. You can see it opened outside the value area. It went till the value area high of the previous day and it came down. So it was a normal variation day, and IB was medium. So anyway, it will be a normal variation day. And whenever market opens outside the range, we need to expect for a trend day. And our view was that buyers are still having strength, but we need to wait for a confirmation. As yesterday it was an expiry, and towards the later half, it was sellers were dominant. So this was a trade. Here you can see initial candle. It was a big buy candle with a volume of around 23,000. Here you can see imbalance is being formed in the bullish side. So this was a previous day POC, and this is the value area. So I was observing how the volume is being formed in this area POC as well as in the higher one. So here, even though there was a buying imbalance, buyers are all getting absorbed, and sellers were coming into the market. So here also you can see in exactly at the POC, sellers were coming. Imbalance is being formed. So the next candle also it formed a good negative side. So I took a trade at around this candle. So I was pretty sure that it is going to be a bearish day because it did not support that POC, and it is volume is being formed. Only thing is that whether my entry was bit early, because here you can see cumulative delta is showing a positive side. So only once negative is formed, we need to enter. So maybe after this candle, I should have entered. But anyway, it was a good trade for me. And these are the POCs of previous few days. So you can see all the areas were exactly respected, and it took support over there, and it went up. Though it went up, I was sure that it is going to come again. So I was waiting for one more trade. That you can see it went up, and you can see this candle formation. So here it is really critical because after this huge selling volume, one huge buying quantity with the imbalance at these areas. So I marked these areas as a area where buyers were in control, and I was expecting the market to reverse from here. But since this candle I saw, I was sure that it will go above that and test in the value area low or at the POC. So exactly at the value area low, the market was forming, buyers were draining and sellers started coming in. So here you can see, though the imbalance is forming, market is not able to go up. So, and one more thing I was sure, we need to observe whether it will come and take a support over here. So once it was not making a support over there, I was expecting the market to come up till this level. So that behaved exactly in the same way. And we'll see how the I took a trade. So here is what I entered the trade. When the Bollinger Band mid was broken, I entered. You can see I have posted my value also at around 115.8. I entered the trade. Time you can see 10:15. So exactly at this area I entered, and I did not wait for a huge profit. Just hitting the area, I left. So yesterday my issue was with the stop loss. Now my issue is with the taking the target. So these 2 points I need to look into to get the huge profits in the coming days. So anyway, conviction is getting right, entry is getting right. Two issues which I am struggling is stop loss as well as taking the profit. So this was a day kind of a formation, and overall it was a good day for me. Thank you.